Okay, here we are again, working on the 1983 Yamaha Ag100, and today we are working on changing the carburetor. So I picked up this cheap Chinesium carby on eBay for $33. And the main reason for purchasing this one was I did pull this original carby apart and I cleaned it all up. However, the idle jet, I could not get out whatever was in it, so I did the wrong thing and I drilled it, and hopefully that is the reason that this bike actually doesn't run too good. So we thought we'd try this one. I went to buy a idle jet for that one, and it was actually going to cost more than a complete new carby, so why not give it a go? So here we go. We'll get this old carby out. As you can see, I've already started pulling it apart. And what have we got? Get this little tube off the other side. There we go. Pull the slide out. Now this carby did clean up really well, and I probably will end up just grabbing an idle jet for it, and I will clean it properly in an ultrasonic cleaner, which I just purchased that as well, pretty much because I work on a lot of these old bikes and thought it'd come in handy, and it was reasonably cheap as well. So we'll just get this slide and spring off. Have a look at the new one. It's actually quite a bit bigger. All the external parts are the same. It's just that the slide, I'm pretty sure, is going to be a lot bigger. Here we go. You can see there, it's definitely not going to fit. So we need to put this new one in. But before I do that, I think I'll just push the pause button and have a look at this for a second.